Have you ever wondered how a simple coconut can transform into one of the most versatile and beloved oils on the planet? In a world where natural products reign supreme, understanding the journey from coconut to oil unveils a fascinating process that intertwines tradition with modernity, simplicity with complexity. Join us on a journey through the intricate pathways of a coconut oil factory, where every step whispers tales of innovation and sustainability. So without any further delay, let's get started. The essence of coconuts, from tree to factory. In the tropical paradises where palm trees sway in the gentle breeze, coconuts reign as nature's gift, embodying the essence of purity and versatility. These remarkable fruits, nurtured by the sun and nourished by the earth, embark on a remarkable journey from tree to factory, where their hidden treasures are unlocked. It begins with skilled hands carefully plucking ripe coconuts from the lofty palms, a task as ancient as the lands themselves. Each coconut, a marvel of nature's engineering, cradles within its fibrous husk a bounty of nutrients and oils waiting to be unleashed. Transported from the orchards to the bustling factories, the coconuts undergo a transformation that blends tradition with innovation. Here, amidst the hum of machinery and the scent of coconut in the air, the true magic unfolds. From cracking open the hard shells to reveal the creamy meat within, to extracting the precious oil through modern pressing techniques, every step honors the inherent goodness of this tropical gem. 2. Cracking the code, extracting coconut meat. Once the coconuts arrive at the factory gates, skilled workers adeptly wield their tools, swiftly cracking open each coconut to unveil its treasure trove, the creamy white meat within. With precision honed over generations, they deftly separate the meat from its tough outer shell, ensuring not a drop of its precious oils goes to waste. This delicate process requires a keen eye and steady hand, as even the slightest misstep could compromise the quality of the final product. Once liberated from its fibrous confines, the coconut meat undergoes further refinement to prepare it for oil extraction. Modern machinery takes over, employing a variety of methods such as grating, shredding, or milling to break down the meat into smaller, more manageable pieces. This step is crucial in maximizing oil yield while maintaining the integrity of the oil's flavor and nutritional profile. As the shredded coconut awaits its turn in the extraction process, it embodies the promise of transformation, poised to become the golden elixir known as coconut oil. The art of extraction, pressing for perfection. With the coconut meat prepared, it's time to unlock its golden essence through the art of extraction. Modern machinery takes center stage as hydraulic presses or expellers gently squeeze the shredded coconut to release its precious oil. This meticulous process ensures maximum oil yield while preserving the oil's purity and nutritional value. The extracted oil, initially in the form of coconut milk, undergoes further processing to separate it from any remaining water content. This separation is crucial in refining the oil's texture and enhancing its aroma. Through careful control of temperature and pressure, manufacturers ensure that the oil retains its natural goodness without any compromise in quality. As the coconut oil drips from the press, it embodies the culmination of nature's bounty and human ingenuity. Each drop represents the dedication of countless individuals committed to producing the finest coconut oil possible. From tree to factory, the journey is one of precision and passion, resulting in a product that delights the senses and nourishes the body. Purification and refinement, filtering out impurities. Once the coconut oil is extracted, it undergoes a meticulous purification and refinement process to ensure its pristine quality. This step is essential in filtering out any impurities or debris that may have been introduced during extraction. The oil is passed through a series of fine filters and centrifuges, where any remaining particles or contaminants are effectively removed. This purification process not only enhances the oil's clarity and appearance, but also improves its flavor and aroma. Temperature control plays a critical role in this stage, as precise adjustments ensure that the oil is not subjected to excessive heat, which could compromise its nutritional integrity. Additionally, some manufacturers may opt for organic certified filtration methods to maintain the oil's organic status. As the purified oil emerges from the filtration system, it exudes a pristine golden hue, free from any blemishes or imperfections. This refined coconut oil is now ready to grace kitchens and beauty shelves worldwide, a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into every step of its production. Packaging and distribution. bringing coconut oil to the world. With the refined coconut oil ready for consumption, attention turns to packaging and distribution, vital steps in bringing this tropical elixir to the global market. Careful consideration is given to packaging materials, ensuring they not only preserve the oil's freshness, but also reflect the values of sustainability. From sleek glass bottles to eco-friendly containers, manufacturers strive to minimize environmental impact while delivering a product that delights consumers. Labels proudly display the oil's purity and origin, inviting consumers to experience the essence of the tropics in their own homes. Once packaged, the coconut oil embarks on a journey that spans continents, transported to far-flung corners of the globe, where it awaits discovery by health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike. Whether used in cooking, skincare, or hair care, coconut oil transcends borders, enriching lives with its versatility and natural goodness. As it graces store shelves and online platforms, the journey of coconut oil from factory to consumer is a testament to the interconnectedness of our world, where a simple fruit can unite cultures and nourish bodies and souls alike. Embracing tradition in a modern world. In the midst of modernity's relentless march, the production of coconut oil stands as a testament to the enduring power of tradition. Rooted in centuries-old practices passed down through generations, this ancient artistry finds harmony in a world of technological marvels. As machinery hums and factories buzz with activity, echoes of tradition resonate in every step of the process. From the gentle hands that harvest ripe coconuts to the skilled artisans who extract their precious oils, the spirit of craftsmanship infuses every aspect of production. Yet, amidst this reverence for tradition, innovation flourishes. Modern techniques and technologies enhance efficiency without compromising the integrity of the final product. The result is a harmonious blend of old and new, where the essence of coconut oil remains unchanged even as it meets the demands of a contemporary world. This juxtaposition of tradition and modernity speaks to the resilience of cultural heritage in an ever-evolving landscape. It is a reminder that while progress propels us forward, the wisdom of the past continues to guide our journey, ensuring that even as we embrace the future, we remain grounded in the timeless traditions that define us. From the lush palm groves to the gleaming steel machinery of the factory floor, the journey of coconut oil production is a testament to human ingenuity and nature's bounty. As we savor the fruits of this labor, be it in a gourmet dish or a nourishing beauty treatment, let us pause to appreciate the intricate dance of tradition and technology that brings coconut oil from farm to table, enriching our lives in more ways than one. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't hesitate to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you in our next adventure.